On behalf of the University of Central Asia, the Aga Khan Development Network, and my own behalf, I warmly welcome you all to this inaugural conference on digital transformation in Central Asia.
But basically, personal data is defined as any information which relates to you.
I do hope that our main focus of bringing experts for the development of a digital transformation in Central Asia has had some impact, and that it has created these non-digital human relationships which actually drive everything.